Initiating the centre's Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyan Anna Yojana PMGKAY, a free food handout policy, the Food Corporation of India FCI is playing a significant role in achieving the objectives. The FCI Northeastern region provides rice and wheat to 3 states of Northeast, namely Meghalaya, Tripura and Mizoram through PDS and other welfare schemes. S.K. Yadav, General Manager FCI NEF region said, under NFSA, FCI provides 12,862 metric ton rice, 1,829 metric ton wheat to Meghalaya and 19,428 metric ton rice and 3,174 metric ton wheat to Tripura and 5,480 metric ton rice to Mizoram. During the COVID pandemic, Government of India under NEF region has distributed 74,01,533 metric ton of rice under PMGKAY scheme at free of cost apart from allocation under NFSA and other welfare schemes.
Preference under which revenue district people are preferring wheat or rice. Accordingly, they give us bifurcation. And accordingly, we are releasing that rice stocks and around 1,829 metric ton. Wheat also state government demands and we are meeting out that without any problem. We have so many that go down points in that Meghalaya.